Yes, the CPOs of KPSM is in constant communication with the schools. PTAs in particular, I can't say that that is the case, but definitely with the schools, as well as with management within the Ministry of Education. Of course, this is of grave concern that we have this particular uproar of the kids getting into these violent acts addressed. I must say, though, we must acknowledge the fact that we really did have, up until last Friday when this whole array of fights took place, there was really a calm down with it. KPSM has been interacting with the schools and the students as well, trying to mitigate that these types of violent episodes does not take place. And we were really happy that the students were complying with that. We don't know what caused the spiral of fights that took place. My understanding is that there were somewhere around 8 of them on one day, which really is an alarming situation. We also don't know if this is a phenomenon. So in other words, are the kids really aggressively angry at each other and are fighting about something of substance, which I don't think it is? Or is it a case that they are doing this for media exposure? So doing these fights, posting them, getting likes, getting shares, getting comments, and for some reason this is amusing. We are still trying to get to the bottom of that, but it does have our attention, as you know, and we're going to continue to work to it. So thank you very much as well to the officers who are and the CPOs who continue to make this a priority, as well as to the staff of the schools who reach out and ask for assistance when they see certain situations brewing. Thank you.